Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to add new friends from contact list in Alipay. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Alipay app. So having opened up your Alipay app, next thing you want to do is to simply click on message right here. It's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this plus sign right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on add contacts. And at this point here, next thing you need to do is to simply click on add friends from contacts. It's going to take you right here. So all the friends you have in your contact list is going to load up right here. What you need to do is to simply click on this plus sign right here, add friend. Then right here, you can simply add. So the next thing you can do right here is to simply click on confirm. And friend request has been sent. It's as simple as that. So once this person has, so it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to add new friends from contact list in Alipay. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.